a good brain teaser. So we are gonna do 3 fast on our right, and then we're gonna do 2 slower on our left. So you're going down, up and left. Okay? It's hard, I know it's tricky, you keep switching back and forth. But what you gotta think about is your head has to stay this way. Down, up and left. And then we keep our head down there. Good, watch. Sometimes when you start turning, you start doing this a little bit. Yep, so we want to keep that back. Yep, keep squeezing here. There, do you feel that difference? Yep, so you're gonna, listen, this is the speed of it. Down, up and down. Spot, down, spot, down, spot. Eventually we would work into doing, if you're better at left B, you could probably try doing down, spot, and left, spot, and right. But it's really hard. You can try it, yeah, go for it. So you can try doing 3 on the right, 3 on the left, but I think most of us are probably gonna be right now doing 3 fast on the right, 2 on the left. Up and left. Up and right. So you guys watch Brianna really quick. Sit down for me so I know we're watching. Okay? What I want you to watch is her head, and then watch the quick steps of the feet. So she goes down, up, step, up, step. Yeah, see there's that step to switch directions. Down, step down, step down. Yes? It's something to think about, but keep still thinking about technique. I know sometimes when we do a little bit more of a challenging combo, our technique tends to go. Yeah, so we got to keep thinking about that. All right, let's try it. Here we go. Guys, Jamie said she's noticing this because I said I keep forgetting to watch arms a little bit, and she's seeing a lot of this. Yep, Ada, you're doing it right now a little bit. So watch, keep those elbows lifted. We don't want to let this start happening, right? Because it just instantly makes us look like we don't have good technique. We work too hard to look like we don't have good technique, right?